Look at the capybara.
It's my first time ever seeing capybara. It's my first time seeing a capybara, right?
That's a big one. That's the biggest capybara.
I've never seen a capybara before. Mama, I think capybaras are... the capybaras are so cute! Okay. Okay.
Ikaw. Sa una good kay ginagawas gani siya. What? What is it called?
Asa mandra? Northern Castle.
Cassowary.
There's things in the water.
Red-eared slider turtle.
It's a turtle! Over there! Oh my gosh! See it? Yeah.
Huh? That is so calling here. What's that? Come here. Uy, kangaroo.
What is that? You just saved your last kid.
Look at the zebra po. Ipaduol, guys.
Sinikliya ba?
Iduol, iduol. Ikaw daw, daddy. Try, daddy.
Ay, dili man di ay.
Dili sa sakit, oy.
Mama, look up.
Can I try, daddy? I-try ba? Dili daw sakit. Ikaw ni daddy. Ako daw, I'll try daw. Sure ka, dad?
Di lagi, wala gura lang.
Aray, dali ka lang.
Di lagi mang unsa.
Sige na, Mia.
Ikaw to eh. Oh, tanaw sa dali. Oh.
Ay, dili. Uy, dili
Dili,
sharp.
uy.
Iyang big.
Dili sharp oh.
Sige na, Mika, go. You need to experience it.
Wala na pag ginaunsa, ginakuhit.
Ikaw lagi.
Dili siya mang unsa, dili sharp.
Ah, Lord!
Sakit.
Uy, turtle ba dahil na? Those are not turtle.
Uy, tanaw sa mong gina.
Oh, woodpecker.
Oh, a woodpecker? Ay,
Ay, breeding area na ni dali mo dito nakabutang.
Asa ang...
Please do not touch insert your
Ay, yo.
Ay, dili guys. Okay, 5 minutes na lang lang.
Unya na lang ang ostrich.
Dalawa lang to sa balay. Ostrich.
Iduol, inaog pa imong kamutnik. Like super naog pa. Sige pa, it's not gonna bite you, you know?
Di ba na mag-bite?
Yeah. Mika! Okay, let's go to the show na. Lulu.
This loud prey.
Lay, ayaw, lay.
Why he's so big? Asa si Mika? Hello.
Oh, talaga.
Daddy, there is a dad. There is a daddy.
May close ako.
Uy, dad, ayaw kayo iduol ang bata, ha?
Train naman na.
Wala ka balo lagi siya nga iyahan ng turn. Nag-show na siya.
Ay, unsa yun sa pagkamot lang.
Ay, unsa?
Oh my God.
Oh, yung PLS na oh.
Lord. Lulu.
Ay, pagawas na dali.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.